Penske's 22 to 26-foot CDL box trucks can fit your largest loads, weighing up to 17,000 pounds. These trucks give you the flexibility to transport a wide range of heavy and bulky items. With interior dimensions of up to 25 feet by 11 inches in length, this vehicle has up to 1,700 cubic feet of loading space. The truck features a floor height of roughly 46 to 50 inches, a rear roll-up door, and a tuck-away liftgate with up to 3,000-pound capacity or liftgate ramp combination. Some models even include a curbside door for easy curbside access. Inside the cargo area, you'll find a reinforced floor that forklifts can easily roll in and out of, E-track and cargo tie rails to properly secure your cargo, a translucent roof, and cargo lighting for better visibility. The truck comes with a 70-gallon fuel tank that gets up to 13 miles per gallon. All that's left for you to do is load up and go. Visit PenskeTruckRental.com to reserve your delivery truck today.